Well, I made the joke to you earlier. I think I've been hugged by every Polish lady in Canada this week. I've met Serbians, Romanians, Polish, especially the Chinese that have come from CCP-held China, right? They're frightened. They are frightened. And every one of them, especially the Eastern Bloc immigrants, say the same, they use the same phrase, and they all say that it smells the same. And it took me a couple days to catch on, and it wasn't just like the Polish said it, or the Romanians said it, or the Serbians said it. Every one of them said the same thing, that it smells the same. And I'm sorry, man, like, these are the people in our country that fled communist, totalitarian regimes. And they're in the streets here screaming about it. And I personally take that to heart. My name's Jake Spinney, formerly of the Royal Canadian Dragoons. I'm a homesteader from Nova Scotia. They had no leverage on me to get shots, right? Like, I look after myself. Most of the people here look after themselves, even though most of these truckers have had their shots. But the reason I'm here is my 65-year-old mother, who's been a pillar in our community our entire life. She's been the village treasurer, the fire commission treasurer, the ladies auxiliary treasurer. She was the Boy Scouts treasurer and the 4-H treasurer at some points. And she can't watch her grandkids play soccer outside in rural Nova Scotia, where we have 1 million people and 100 people in the hospital with or without COVID, or with or of COVID. You know, it's just been a complete tyrannical overreach of our charter rights. None, as Brian Peckford would say, none of this has been demonstrably justified in the slightest little bit. The invocation of the Emergency Act is the act of a petty tyrant when his regime is falling, and it's classic Trudeau pathetic.